Hi guys, welcome back with a new healthy recipe for breakfast. It's going to be full of protein and there will be some healthy carbs. So it's time to show you the process now. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need bird eye chili, some shiitake mushroom, 3 eggs with 12 to 15 almonds soaked overnight. With that, you will take half a cup of rolled oats. We're going to take capsicum and you're going to make a cup out of it. With that, you're going to use some mature cheddar and Edmond cheese. So as you can see, almonds, eggs, oats and cheese that I'm going to blend in this blender. Mushrooms and bird eye chili I'm going to chop and I'm going to layer them in those capsicum cups. As you can see guys, capsicum cups are stuffed with mushrooms and bird eye chili. Now it's time to add the egg batter. Here we go guys, our protein packed breakfast is ready to serve. So I've taken some avocados, along with that I've taken a few olives. For garnish I have used some pomegranate and there is some Edmond cheese. There was some leftover of the batter and I just made this. So what I did over here, I grilled the pineapple. On top of it, in a cast iron pan, in a small pan, I put like the remaining batter and I cracked open a whole egg on top of it. So I hope you like the breakfast recipes, and for more interesting content, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Till next time, take care and bye bye.